A beautiful morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about a very motivational story named as The Green Act, which is the last lesson of your reader book. And first of all, I should tell you that what is the meaning of the Green Act? The work which is done to save environment. That is called the Green Act. And here the main characters of the story are Neha and Sachin, who are brother and sister, right? Now, in the beginning of the story, what happens? Both of them, Neha and Sachin, they have arrived at the hotel. The name of the hotel is Seaview. And which place they have come to? They have come to Nicobar Islands, and they belong to a small hill station, and that's why Nicobar Islands was a very exciting place for them, because they were visiting the sea, the beaches first time, so they were very much excited to see it. So you must be thinking that what is the location of the Nicobar Islands. So I would like to show you the location of Nicobar Islands. You can see here on the screen the map of India, where there is a small red square. It is in Indian Ocean. Nicobar Islands are situated in Indian Ocean across the Bay of Bengal. So the Neha and Sachin, they had come to that place with their parents, and now they are so much excited to visit the beach. Now after a few hours, they had gone to the beach along with their parents, and both the parents were trailing them. Trailing them means they were just following them. They were worried about, even the mother was shouting that don't stay away from deep water, because they were worried, because they were small children. And when they reached near the beach, what did they see? Neha was so disappointed to see that. What was it? What did she say? What a filthy place! Who throws these cans, plastic bottles, eatables? She was shocked to see that the whole beach was littered with the trash and the waste material which was thrown by the tourists and the local people who visited it. And they were so much feeling sorry for this bad work done by the people. And they were saying, how is it possible that the people are not thinking about it? They are just spoiling such a beautiful place. Now Neha looked around and saw people enjoying themselves. Neha was surprised to see that people not worried. They were not worried whether the place is dirty, or they are making it filthy by throwing all these waste material. So with a very heavy heart, with a sad mind, they entered the water. No doubt they enjoyed. How did they enjoy? It was such a fun riding on the waves, collecting shells, throwing water at each other. They enjoyed in this manner, and later they came back to the hotel, and now they were thinking about it, that what can we do to this thing make the beach clean. How they can motivate other people also, and they can save the beaches. Now, what happened next? Sachin said to Neha, something should be done about these surroundings. Why? It also affects the marine life. Now, he was just talking to Neha, her sister, that we should do something to save the surroundings. And Neha said, why? Why it is required? So Sachin said that it is going to affect very badly the marine life if we are not saving our beaches. Marine life means the living beings which are living underwater. Because if we are spoiling, if we are making the water bodies dirty, these are going to affect badly to the animals which are living under the water, even the plants also. So they were having a plan, and they were just making a plan to do something. But Neha was just asking that what can we do? So Sachin just shared something by whispering in her ear, and that was a plan he told Neha. And in the evening, what happened? They went to the market and they got some strange things with them. and they were going to execute, they were going to do something according to their plan to save the environment. Now, what happens the next? They shared about their plan to the with the hotel manager also. And what did they do? Next morning, there were red dustbins, big red dustbins placed on the beach, and bright green painted placards were planted near the vendors requesting people to keep the beach clean. What are these placards? I'll show you the pic of the placard. Can you see on the screen? These are the notices which are printed or can be handwritten to just give some to give message to the people. Okay, so these kind of placards were you can say those were planted, those were fixed near the vendors. Vendors कौन होते हैं? The people who are selling something. जैसे you must have seen the people who are selling the eatables at the beaches, those are the vendors. So those placards were fixed over there where the vendors were selling their things and requesting the people to keep the beach clean, right? And Neha and Sachin started picking up the throwaway bottles, cans, and food wrappers and other things from the beach. Now they started cleaning the beach themselves. And this encouraged the hotel staff also, and they also joined the children. They also started picking up all the waste and cleaning the beach, and they helped them in their cleaning mission. Now, what happened the next? After some time, their parents were surprised to see. They came there and they were surprised to see that Neha and Sachin they were wearing sash, each with a bold writing in green. What is a sash? I'll show you a pic of sash. This boy is wearing a sash. What is it? It is a strip of cloth or paper on which something written, right? Yeah, you must have seen Miss Universe or head boy, head girl in your school also, they are also wearing this kind of sash. So they were wearing those sashes and green sashes, which what was written on those sash? Keep the beach clean. The beach definitely looks cleaner now. The beach became clean because they both of them, Neha and Sachin, and even the workers from the hotel, they helped them to clean the whole beach. And the mother was feeling so proud looking at her green heroes. And even the father also, when their father came over there, he also said, I would also like to wear a sash to be a member of your green brigade. And I'm really proud to have such wonderful children. And in this way, both the parents were proud of their children because they were doing something very good, isn't it? And after that, what did they do the next? Let's present these sashes to the people over here and request them to wear them. Now, this was their next plan. They started giving those sashes to the people, though those who had come to visit the beach. And this suggestion was given by Neha, and they ran towards the crowded area and they started giving those sashes. Now, what happens next? The tourists felt ashamed and promised these little children to maintain cleanliness in future. Now the other people also, they started thinking that if the small children like them can bother about, they can do something good to save environment, so why can't we? They were thinking in that way and they were feeling ashamed, and they thought that we should also contribute to save environment, and they also started promising that they are going to keep the beach clean. But for Neha and Sachin, more was needed to be done. Now, this mission was over, but they don't want to close it here only. They want to do something more. They had more plans back home. When they came back home, they were thinking that we will do a little more. What was that? They had to email their friends about their achievements. They told everything, whatever they did on the beach, and they motivated the people to keep the beaches and the environment clean. They informed their friends also regarding this, and we needed members to join our green club on Facebook, and they made a green club on the Facebook, and they requested and they invited their friends to join that green club. Winked and overjoyed Sachin. And in the end, what happens in the story? What is winking? Winking means just closing and opening the eye quickly. Means he was very much excited and he was very much happy to start a green club on Facebook. And in this way, they started this eco-friendly mission on this thing Facebook, as well as they motivated a number of people to save environment. So this is the story. Kindly read this from your book, and you are going to underline the new words also and learn the spellings. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.